Holly from HumorousHolly.com. Today we're going to be making some homemade dishwashing detergent. So what you're going to need is some baking soda, some washing soda, borax, citric acid, some salt, sea salt. I use pink Himalayan salt, and some essential oils. I like to use lemon or lavender in the dish soap. So we're going to start off with 2 cups of baking soda. So we're going to add the second cup of baking soda. To that, we are going to add some borax. Okay, to that, made a mess. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of borax. Okay. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of washing soda. 1/2 cup. And then a 1/4 cup of salt and a 1/4 cup of citric acid. And I buy my citric acid in bulk from Amazon. I can't get it open. Oh wait, there we go. Okay. Real life, folks, real life. And then 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup. And then 15 drops of essential oil. What I'm going to use is lemon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Supposed to only do 15, but I like to do 20. And then just put the lid on it. Shake it up. And that's it. And then this is, you use 1 tablespoon per load of dirty dishes.